Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to block a sound on TikTok. So first of all, launch TikTok app on your mobile devices. Now once you come to your profile, tap on the option of home at the bottom left corner. Now long tap on a video from where you want to block a sound from. From here you'll see the option of not interested. Tap on it. Now quickly tap on details. From here you will see the category of show less of. You can see various options given here. Tap on the option of sound. Then tap on the option of submit. After this, you won't be able to see the videos with that specific sound you have tapped on not interested category. So this is the only way through which you can block a sound on TikTok. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.